Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And guys, this is voltage follower circuit. Today we will discuss on this circuit. And you can see here this is input source 40 hertz, and this is coupling capacitor. What is the work of this capacitor? It pass the AC signal, but it block the DC signal from going here to here, because here will be DC voltage due to this biasing for bias the transistor. So here will be DC voltage. So this coupling capacitor does not allow this voltage from here to here. So this is the main purpose of using this capacitor here. And you can see here this is 5 volt supply, and this is voltage divider to bias the transistor. And here we are taking the output at the emitter. This is NPN transistor, and this is collector point, this is emitter point. So generally voltage follower is used to provide the current gain and impedance matching. So it is clear that it does not provide the voltage gain, it only provides the current gain. You can see here is the input signal, okay, and this is output signal, this. So input signal is 3.662 volt, and output signal we are getting 2.955 volt. So it is clear that it does not provide the voltage gain, it provides only current gain. It boosts the current. And we are taking the output here. So what will happen? The output voltage will be in phase in the input voltage. So you can see here, when the input voltage is going down, output voltage are also going down. When the input voltage is going up, input output voltage is going up also. So you can say the output voltage in the phase of input voltage. And we can take the output from here also, like this. So what will happen? By taking the output from this point, you will get the output out of phase of input 180 degree. Okay, so you can also see how current is flowing in this circuit. Collector current like this, base current like this, and voltage divider current like this, and input signal current how it is flowing. So you can also see. And one thing more, if I make this resistance value 0, so here will be 0 volt, output voltage will be 0, because this ground will be connect directly here, so output voltage will be 0. So across the drop voltage on this resistance will be the output voltage. So another use of this voltage follower is impedance matching. It used for impedance matching. So there is a mainly two use of this voltage follower circuit. One is to provide the current gain, not voltage gain. Okay. Another use is to provide the impedance matching, to connect the one circuit or one system to the another. And its frequency response is very good while using as a impedance matching circuit. So I hope you got this video, and if you got this video, so please like and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for coming video. Thank you.